The front desk module in Karibu Hotel software streamlines your hotel's reception. To get started, click on Modules, then Reception Management. Sign in with your front desk account details. The system displays a room chart whenever you log in at the front desk. This shows the status of the rooms, for example, available rooms, occupied rooms, and blocked rooms. Always carry out a room audit at the start every day, or if there were changes to the sales posting of the previous day. Select the date to post. The sales of that day will be displayed and then click Post. Select the same date again and proceed. Fill in only the values displayed by the daily sales report. Confirm the figures and click OK. To add a guest, click New. Identify the type of client. Select the client name from list of clients previously saved. If the client is new, fill in their details. Select the occupancy type or hotel rate they have chosen. Add their check-in and check-out date from the calendar shown. The system automatically counts the number of nights. Select a room for your guests from the list shown. Rooms that are already occupied do not appear on this list. Fill on the number of people to occupy the room. Choose a meal plan for the guests. The room status allows you to confirm guests who will check in at a later date and time, or guests who are checking in at the moment. You can also add special requirements for the guests, for example early breakfast. You can set a reminder notification for it. Fill in the other details and save. Click Invoice to view the guests' bills and invoices summarized, detailed or customized. And click Preview. Click on More to view other actions like guest bills, invoices, registration cards, guest history, refunds, receipts, and discounts. You can process daily or total discounts. Click on the Payments button to process guest bill payments. Select the date the guest is making a payment. Identify the account receiving the payment. You can process partial or full payments. Select the type of payment. Fill in the X-doc number and a payment narration. Then save. Print a receipt for the guest. With Karibu software you can add extra services on the guest bills. To add an extra, select a room number type in the service name, for example extra bed. Select the date the service was used. Add the quantity or units used and the unit price, then click OK. You are able to make changes to that extra service or even settle it separately. The system also includes a provision for the guest restaurant and other point-of-sale bills to be transferred to the room invoice. The front desk personnel can even view the detailed bills posted on the room, receive payments or transfer them. You can print out your guest registration forms at any time. Click on Transfer to transfer guests to another room, room type and meal plan. Or transfer to an existing folio if the bill is to be paid by one client. Or create new client folio if the guests request their rooms to be on separate invoices. For organizations and other clients who pay later, select their client type as organizations. Select from the list or add the clients in the system. Fill in their details and save. The guest will now appear on the list for selection. Proceed to create the organization or credit client folio and save. You can now add a guest to that folio. When the guest leaves the room, change the room status from checked in to checked out. A checkout form will be displayed. Ensure you close all the folios of checked out clients to avoid the rooms from being blocked. The system enables you to check your room availability with ease, as well as viewing the room calendars. Save the guest lost and found items in your system for easy follow-up. You can also add your channel manager for online bookings to be directly linked. For more information, visit our website www.karibuhotelsoftware.com.